Why, hi everyone! Hi Kip! Hi Tilly! Today we're playing counting games. Ba-ba-da-da! Let's spin the wheel to see what game we're playing first. Yay! We're counting cars with Kip. Let's go! Look at these 5 cute little cars. Kip has lost all 5 of them, all in his room. Can you help Kip find his toy cars? Kip wants to find a green car first. Can you spot a green car? What about there? Is that a green car? Oh, yay! You're right! There's a green car. We found our first car. Great work! Kip wants us to find an orange car next. Well, is this an orange car? Nope. That's a red toy ball. That's not a car at all. Let's keep looking. How about this? Is this an orange car? It is. You're right. Good eye. We found our second car for Kip to play with. Bum-ba-ba-ba. Now Kip wants us to find a pink car. Is this a pink car? It is! You found it! We found the pink car. Woo! Great work! Now Kip has 1, 2, 3 cars to play with. Can you find a blue car? Is this a blue car? No, that's not a blue car. That's just Bailey. Hi, Bailey. Okay, let's keep looking. Is this a blue car? There's the blue car. You found it. Wow, we found the 4th car. Great job. Now we're almost done. There's only one more to find. Kip wants us to find a yellow car. Can you spot a yellow car? Is this a yellow car? Oh, yay, you got it! There's the yellow car. Good work. Let's count all of the cars to make sure we found all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cars. We found all 5 cars for Kip to play with. Wowee! Now let's count to 5 with all of Word Party.
5 babies hopping, hop, hop, hopping round a tree. Hip, hop, hoppity, hops away. Look, a bumblebee. 4 babies tapping, tap, tap, tapping on our knees. Let's all get a snack in. Pass the ice cream, please. Tilly leaves to take a bath. Now we're only 3. 3 babies skipping, skip, skip, skipping on their toes. Skipping round the garden, Bailey stops to smell a rose. So now there's 2 babies sliding, slide, slide, sliding down a slide. Lulu keeps on sliding, Franny takes off for a ride. See you later. 1 baby dancing, dance with Raffy round the room. Everybody join the fun, so I'm not the only one. Come on! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, count everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now we're done!
Welcome back, everyone. Oh, hi, Franny. Let's see what counting game we're playing next. It looks like we're counting ducks with Franny. Let's go. All right, friends. There are 10 ducks hidden in this room. Some of the ducks are yellow, blue, pink, and green. Franny wants to know how many ducks there are of each color. Can you help Franny and the rest of Word Party find and count them all? Great! Let's go! Franny really likes the color blue. Can you find a blue duck first? Is this a blue duck? There it is! Great work! We found our first duck. Can you find another blue duck? Is this a blue duck? Wowee! You did it again! We found our second blue duck. Now this is tricky. Are there any other blue ducks you can find? What about this? Is it a blue duck? There it is. Good eye. We found 3 blue ducks. Let's move on to pink ducks. Can you find a pink duck? Is this a pink duck? Great work! How about this? Can you find another pink duck? What about here? Pink duck? You did it again! You're good at this. We found 2 pink ducks. Franny wants us to find green ducks now. Are you ready? Great! Let's look for a green duck. Is this a green duck? Whoop, there it is! Can you find another green duck? What about this duck? Is it green? There it is. Okay, I think there's one more green duck. Keep looking. What about this duck? Oh, great work! Great work so far, everyone. We found 3 green ducks. Now all we have to look for are yellow ducks. Do you see a yellow duck? Is this a yellow duck? There it is. Question: are there any more? What about this duck? Yellow? Great work! It is! Wow, friends, I'm impressed. We found 2 yellow ducks. But do you think we found all of them? Well, let's count to see how many ducks we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! We found all 10 ducks. Now, how many of them are blue? 1, 2, 3. We found 3 blue ducks. How many of them are pink? 1, 2. 2 pink ducks. And how many green ducks are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 green ducks. How many yellow ducks are there? 1, 2, and 2 yellow ducks. Great finding and counting skills, everyone. Thanks so much for all of your help today. Now it's time to sing along with Word Party and count to 10.